Question number 23. Which statement about EM waves in vacuum is correct? Infrared waves have shorter wavelengths than visible rays. Okay. So first, whenever you have a problem on electromagnetic rays, what you do is aid to memory is that. So first write down the visible frequency ranges. Okay, visible wavelength ranges. So you have violet, you have red. In between we have VIBGYOR. What is it? Wave gap. Okay. So this will have a wavelength of 400 nanometers. This will have a wavelength of 700 nanometers. Where does IR comes? Since you have an R here, IR should be here. Since you have a V here, UV should be here. Now what is this now? This is your increasing wavelength over here. Now read the question. Infrared waves have shorter wavelengths. Infrared rays have shorter wavelengths. If this is 700, next one should be only 900 or 800 than visible light rays. So definitely this is incorrect, right? It will have a larger wavelengths than the visible range. This is your visible range, right? Microwaves have longer wavelengths than radio waves. Where is micro? Micro is somewhere over here. Okay, micro means a small. Micro is somewhere over here, and after micro you get UV rays. Okay, and so on. So therefore, now what is he asking? Microwaves have longer wavelengths. Is it longer over here? See, microwaves will have shorter, because here if it is 400, this could be of the order of much lesser, maybe 100, 50, 80, and so on. Okay, so definitely this is also incorrect. UV rays have higher frequencies than visible light rays. UV rays have higher frequencies. See, when you say what is the wavelength over here, just remember only one of them, only wavelength. Then you can go to frequency. Okay, so here UV rays, lambda of UV is less than lambda of visible. Lambda visible, which means frequency of UV should be greater than frequency of UV. Of visible. So what is he asking? UV ray waves have a higher frequency, as compared to visible light rays. That's right. So therefore C should be the right answer. Gamma rays have lower frequencies than X-rays. Now if mu is here, microwaves is here, then gamma ray should be here. This should be your gamma ray. Okay. What is there? Have lower frequencies than X-rays. So frequency, what happens to frequency? If wavelength is increasing like this, frequency should decrease like this. Okay. So therefore, where is the X-ray here? The X-ray is over here. Okay. So starts with X-ray, unknown, micro, ultraviolet, visible, then infrared, gamma rays. So this is the way you have the C is the right answer.